Are you ready to send money abroad quickly and easily from Kenya? Let's get started by creating your Taptap Send account. First, download the Taptap Send app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once downloaded, open the app. You'll be prompted to enter your phone number. Make sure you use your Kenyan mobile number to receive a verification code. Next, enter the verification code you receive via SMS on the app. This confirms your phone number ownership and allows you to proceed with setting up your account, so make sure your phone is handy. Now, you'll need to provide some basic personal information, such as your full name, email address, and date of birth. This is essential for security and to comply with financial regulations. The app will then prompt you to verify your identity. You'll usually need to upload a photo of a valid Kenyan identification document. Acceptable documents include your national ID, passport, or driving license. Then take a selfie. Follow the on-screen instructions to upload clear pictures of your ID and your selfie. The app will securely verify your identity to ensure the safety of all transactions. Be patient. This might take a few minutes. After successful verification, you are ready to begin sending money. You can link your M-Pesa account to make payments for your transfers. Before sending money, be aware of any applicable fees, which are usually quite low, and the current exchange rates. The app will clearly display these rates for transparency. Congratulations, you have successfully created a Taptap Send account and can now send money with ease. #TaptapKenya #mobile payments.